Hello students, in this video I am going to start chapter 4, that is about Vedic mathematics. So I am going to start chapter 4 and the name is Vedic mathematics, or you can say Vedic maths. Okay, there are particular terms in this chapter and you will feel something new, and it's very interesting, quite easier also. So some of the terms I am going to explain. First term is ekadhiken. It is ekadhiken. I will tell you the meanings of these words later, and these are the Sanskrit words. Okay, ये जितने भी words हैं ये संस्कृत से लिए गए हैं. So we will study them one by one and I will tell you the English and Hindi meanings of these words. Second is eka न्यूनैन. Okay, third is eka धिकेन पूर्वेन. It is ekadhiken purven. And fourth is eka न्यूनैन पूर्वेन. So it is eka न्यूनैन पूर्वेन. So all these 4 points are very important before we move further and solve the questions. Now take these points one by one. So first point is ekadhiken. The meaning is one more than the given digit or a number. Eka means one and dhiken means more. So the combined meaning of ekadhiken purven is one more. So I hope you understood the meaning of one more, because in English you know the meaning of this, and ekadhiken it means one more. Now let's find ekadhiken of some given numbers. For example, if the number is 3, then the ekadhiken of this number is 3 plus 1, that is 4, and it is written as 3 and a dot over 3. So this is the notation in Vedic mathematics. Okay, Vedic mathematics. Suppose number is 9, then ekadhiken will be a dot over 9, and the value of this is 9 plus 1 equals 10. Take another number. If the number is 28, then ekadhiken of 28 will be 29, as you know, but we have to write a dot over the unit digit, means the 8 is the digit at unit place. Then we have to write the ekadhiken of 8, that will be 9, and 2 is written as it is. So it is 29. Okay students, this is the meaning of ekadhiken. Now take second topic. Second is eka न्यूनैन. So as the meaning of ekadhiken, you understood the meaning. Similarly, eka न्यूनैन is also easier to understand. Second is eka न्यूनैन. Again, eka means one and न्यूनैन means less. Okay, so the combined meaning is one less than the given digit or a given number. So take some values. It is example 2 on page number 27 of your textbook. The textbook is Student Advisor of class 5th. So it is on page number 27. Example 3. Now in this table few numbers are given. So first number is 5, then eka न्यूनैन of, sorry, the first number is 7, the table is on page number 27 and the first value is okay, the value is 5. Now there is, I think, some misprint in the table because we are finding eka Nunend and it is given eka Dikand. So in example 3 there is some misprint in the table, you have to consider it as eka Nunend. So if the number is 5, then eka Nunend is written as a dot below 5 and the number will be 5 minus 1 equals 4. Second number is 9, eka Nunend means write a dot below 9 and 9 minus 1 will be 8. Next is 20, so the eka Nunend will be a dot below 0 and 20 minus 1 will be 19. Next number is 25, so eka Nunend will be written as 2 and a dot below 5 and it is 25 minus 1 is 24. So these are all the eka Nunend of these numbers. Okay. So I hope you understood the meaning of eka Dikand and eka Nunend. Now come to the third point, eka Dikand Purvand. Third point is eka Dikand Purvand. So the meaning of eka Dikand is same as we studied in first point and meaning of Purvand means पूर्व का, पहले का. So its हिंदी मीनिंग मीन्स जो भी डिजिट का आप eka Dikand Purvand पता करते हैं, आपको उस डिजिट के पहले वाली डिजिट जो उसके लेफ्ट में है वो कंसीडर करनी है. सो eka Dikand Purvand इज कंबाइंड ऑपरेशन in which eka Dikand and Purvand can be done simultaneously. This definition is given in the book. So from the table on page number 27, this is the last table. Okay, last table of page number 27. If the number is 7, so take a number. If a number is 7, then Purvand of 7 means what is the digit that appears before 7 in this number. 7 can be written as 07. As you can see, the Purvand digit of 7 is 0. We have to find the eka Dikand of this 0. So write a dot or 0 and the number becomes 18. Okay, it is 17, not 18, because we have to find the eka Dikand of 0 only. So 0 is converted into 1, 7 will be as it is. It means eka Dikand Purvand of 7 is 17. Next number is 9. So 9 is written as 09. Again write a dot over 0. So 9 will be as it is and eka Dikand of 0 is 1. The answer is 19. You can say eka Dikand Purvand of 9 is 19. Next number is 16. So the Purvand of 6 is 1 and if we have to find the eka Dikand Purvand, then write a dot over 6 over 1 and 6 will be as it is. So the answer will be 26. So these numbers are the eka Dikand Purvand of the numbers written on left hand side. Okay. Fourth point is eka Nunend Purvand. Fourth point is eka Nunend Purvand. Again meaning of Purvand means जो डिजिट रिक्वायर्ड डिजिट से पहले आती है उसका मतलब Purvand होगा and eka Nunend means one less. So a table is given on page number 28. So first table, I am taking the numbers from first table on page number 28. The number is 15. So we have to find the Purvain of 5. As you can see, Purvain of 5 is 1 and Ekanunand Purvain of 5 will be, write a dot below 1. Okay. So in the case of Ekadikand, we always put the dot over a digit, and in Ekanunand we have to place the digit below this, below a particular digit. तो एकाधिकरण में आपको किसी डिजिट के ऊपर डॉट लगानी है और एकान्यूनैंड में उस डिजिट के नीचे डॉट लगानी है. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. इन दिस वे 5 will be as it is and एकान्यूनैंड of 1 is 0. So we can say एकान्यूनैंड पूर्वायन of 15 is 05. Now second number is 23. So पूर्वायन of 3 is 2. Then write the dot below 2. So it will be 13. Means Ekanunand Purvain of 23 is 13. Next number is 159. Then Purvain of 9 is 5. So we place a dot below 5 and the number is 149, because we have found the Ekanunand Purvain of 9. That's why we place the dot below 5. Next number is 351. Again Purvain of 1 is 5. So place a dot below 5 and 3 and 1 will be as it is, and we have to subtract 1 from 5, because if a dot appears below a digit we have to subtract 1 from that digit. So 5 minus 1 is 4, and these are the Ekanunand Purvain of these numbers. Okay students, I hope you got it. Next and very important point is the complementary digit. You can say a best friend, or in Sanskrit it is Param Mitra Ank. परम मित्र का मीनिंग तो आपको पता ही है, जो सबसे अच्छा फ्रेंड होता है उसको हम परम मित्र कहते हैं. तो फिफ्थ पॉइंट इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री डिजिट. ओके, परम मित्र अंक. इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग नेम. परम मित्र अंक मीन्स if sum of a digit or number is equal to 10, then the number or digit plus complementary digit is equal to 10. This definition is given on page number 28. This is fifth point. So in the table the numbers are written from 1 to 10. So I am writing the same numbers: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10. Then complementary digit will be obtained after subtracting 1 from these numbers. तो हम 1 में से 1 को subtract करेंगे, it will be 0. Then okay, we have to find the complementary digit, then we have to subtract this number from 10. So we have to perform 10 minus 1, it will be 9. Next digit is 2, so we have to perform 10 minus 2, it will be 8. Next is 3, so 10 minus 3, answer is 7. For the digit 4, we perform 10 minus 4, 6. 10 minus 5 is 5. 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 minus 7 is 3. 10 minus 8 is 2, 10 minus 9 is 1 and 10 minus 10 is 0. So the digits appearing on the right hand side are the complementary digit or Param Mitra Ank of the numbers appearing on the left. So this table is very important, and this table is given on page number 28 of your textbook. So students, I hope you understood all these points. These are the basic concepts which will be used to solve the questions and different examples given in your book. Okay, practice for these and try to solve the given questions in your assignment. Best of luck.